Hey cutie, can you guess what it is? It's an apple. A is for apple. Let's spell A-P-P-L-E. Hey cutie, can you guess what it is? It's a banana. B is for banana. Let's spell B-A-N-A-N-A. Hey genius, can you guess what it is? It's a camel. C is for camel. Let's spell C-A-M-E-L. Hey genius, can you guess what it is? It's a dog. D is for dog. Let's spell D-O-G. Hey baby, can you guess what it is? It's an elephant. E is for elephant. Let's spell E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Let's learn the letter F. Can you guess what it is? It's a frog. F is for frog. Let's spell F-R-O-G. Let's learn the letter G. Can you guess what it is? It's a giraffe. G is for giraffe. Let's spell G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Let's learn the letter H. Can you guess what it is? It's a horse. H is for horse. Let's spell H-O-R-S-E. Let's introduce the letter I. Can you guess what it is? It's an ice cream. I is for ice cream. Let's spell I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. This is the letter J. Can you guess what it is? It's a jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Let's spell J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. This is the letter K. Can you guess what it is? It's a kite. K is for kite. Let's spell K-I-T-E. This is the letter L. Can you guess what it is? It's a ladybug. L is for ladybug. Let's spell L-A-D-Y-B-U-G. This is the letter M. Can you guess what it is? It's a monkey. M is for monkey. Let's spell M-O-N-K-E-Y. This is the letter N. Can you guess what it is? It's a nest. N is for nest. Let's spell N-E-S-T. This is the letter O. Can you guess what it is? It's an orange. O is for orange. Let's spell O-R-A-N-G-E. Let's introduce new letter P. Can you guess what it is? It's a peacock. P is for peacock. Let's spell P-E-A-C-O-C-K. The next letter is Q. Can you guess what it is? It's a quail. Q is for quail. Let's spell Q-U-A-I-L. The next letter is R. Can you guess what it is? It's a rabbit. R is for rabbit. Let's spell R-A-B-B-I-T. The next letter is S. Can you guess what it is? It's a swan. S is for swan. Let's spell S-W-A-N. The new letter is T. Can you guess what it is? It's a tiger. T is for tiger. Let's spell T-I-G-E-R. Let's get to know the letter U. Can you guess what it is? It's an umbrella. U is for umbrella. Let's spell U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Let's check next letter V. Can you guess what it is? It's a violin. V is for violin. Let's spell V-I-O-L-I-N. Our next letter is W. Can you guess what it is? It's a whale. W is for whale. Let's spell W-H-A-L-E. Our next letter is X. Can you guess what it is? It's a xylophone. X is for xylophone. Let's spell X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Our next letter is Y. Can you guess what it is? It's a yacht. Y is for yacht. Let's spell Y-A-C-H-T. And the last letter is Z. Can you guess what it is? It's a zebra. Z is for zebra. Let's spell Z-E-B-R-A.